This is February 2nd, 2011. It's about 7 in the evening, and this is the blizzard, which started at about 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's supposed to go on till Thursday morning. Most of the offices and universities are closed tomorrow. The schools have all been closed. It's cold. I can barely stand inside. Look at the roads. This is Western Avenue, which is like a very, very moving road, but you can hardly see any traffic, and you can see the cars going at a snail pace. You can barely differentiate the sidewalk from the road. Wow. That's just me who just shoveled this pathway. Okay, I can't make it anymore. My hands are freezing.